Hey, kitchen enthusiasts! Are you someone who loves spending time in the kitchen, experimenting with new recipes, or simply enjoying the process of cooking? Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen with some stylish and high-quality appliances? Imagine transforming your cooking space into a modern, luxurious haven with just a few clicks. Well, have I got some fantastic news for you. This is the perfect opportunity to elevate your kitchen game. Smeg appliances are now on sale on Amazon. Founded in 1948 in Italy, Smeg has been a pioneer in creating stylish and high-quality kitchen appliances. Known for their iconic retro design and innovative technology, Smeg products bring a touch of elegance to any kitchen. And it's not just fridges. You can also find deals on toasters, blenders, coffee machines, and more. Each product is designed to bring both style and efficiency to your kitchen. Imagine adding that classic Smeg charm to your kitchen without breaking the bank. These appliances are perfect for anyone looking to combine aesthetics with functionality. These appliances aren't just about looks though. They are engineered to provide top-notch performance, making your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. They're known for their excellent performance and durability. Smeg appliances are built to last, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Whether you're whipping up breakfast for your family, preparing a quick snack, or making a gourmet meal, or hosting a dinner party for friends, Smeg has got you covered with appliances that cater to all your culinary needs. From mixers to kettles and everything in between, Smeg offers a wide range of products that can handle any kitchen task with ease. Now here's the best part. You don't have to wait long to start enjoying your new appliances. If you're not already an Amazon Prime member, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial through the link in the video details. This trial gives you access to fast, free shipping. This means you can get your new Smeg appliances with fast, free shipping. How awesome is that? No more waiting around for weeks to get your hands on your new kitchen gadgets. So, head over to Amazon now and take advantage of these amazing deals before they're gone. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your kitchen at unbeatable prices. The link is in the video details. Just click, shop, and save. Thanks for watching Trails and Tales. We hope you found this information useful and are as excited as we are about these deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest deals and recommendations. Your support means the world to us. Happy shopping and see you in the next video. Enjoy your new Smeg appliances and happy cooking.